The malware did not wait for a download. It waited for trust. TrapDoor is a software supply chain attack aimed at developer machines. Researchers reported malicious packages spread across NPM, PyPI, and credential-stealing, which means JavaScript, Python, and Rust workflows were all part of the same blast radius. The first danger is familiar, a package that looks like a helper. Install it, import it, or build it, and the payload can begin scanning for secrets. Wallet keys, SSH keys, cloud credentials, GitHub tokens, environment variables, the exact things a developer workstation quietly holds. But the strange part is the AI layer. TrapDoor also tried to plant files such as CLAUDE.md and .cursor rules. Those files can shape how coding assistants behave inside a project. Security researchers say the hidden instructions were designed to make an assistant run what looked like a normal security check, while the real goal was credential discovery and exfiltration. That changes the picture. The attack is not only a poisoned package, it is a poisoned workflow. One registry shows a package, another shows a build script. A Python import reaches for remote JavaScript. A Rust build step touches a wallet key store. An AI instruction file sits in the repo like harmless documentation. Individually, each piece can look small. Together, they form a corridor from open-source trust to private keys, cloud accounts, and repositories. The practical lesson is not panic. It is verification. Check publisher identity. Audit recent dependency changes. Treat AI assistant instruction files as code, not wallpaper. Search for hidden Unicode. Rotate exposed secrets if a poisoned package touched your machine. TrapDoor's message is brutal because it is modern. The safest-looking developer shortcut can become the door.